Welcome to the course Exploring the Solar System. I am Shweta from Astronera, and in this lecture, let's travel to the edge of our solar system. The heliosphere is often described as kind of bubble that contains our solar system. It doesn't extend quite far off though. Heliosphere is caused by the solar winds and extends just a bit beyond Pluto, about 80 to 100 astronomical units away from the Sun. The solar system also includes the Kuiper belt that lies past Neptune's orbit. It is made of lots of rocky, icy bodies like Pluto, which is also part of the Kuiper belt. Beyond this Kuiper belt lies spherical shell of more rocky, icy material, which we call as the Oort cloud. It surrounds our solar system and is about 1.6 light years away from the Sun. This shell of material is thick, extending from 5,000 astronomical units to 100,000 astronomical units. The Oort cloud is considered as birthplace of comets. Imagine from how far away these comets travel in extremely eccentric orbit around the Sun. The Oort cloud is the boundary of the Sun's gravitational influence. It is also considered the farthest we know in the solar system. This is the edge of our cosmic backyard. Everything that is bound by the gravitational force of the Sun and orbits it is part of the solar system. Other than the planets, their satellites, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, along with lots of gas and dust makes our whole solar system. We have learned so much about the solar system so far. In upcoming lectures, let's take a closer look to each of these elements of our solar system that we know of today. But first, I have some interesting things to tell you in the very next lecture. See you there!